Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome back to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a chat or a chat conversation in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. So of course, the first thing that you'll need to do is log into your Gmail or Google account and then go to Gmail. Then, first you'll need to click settings and then click customize and then make sure that the Google Chat is checked and then click done. If your Google Chat is checked, you can easily see it at the left part of your screen. So all you have to do is click on it and then click start a chat. For it. So you'll need to have the email account of that person. So for example, send a chat to this email, and as you can see, it already started a new chat. So for example, hi, my name is Ira, and as you can see, it is now sent. So you can see here that the person is currently away. So if he or she is online, you can also see it right here. So that's basically it on how you can start a new chat and send a message to a Gmail user. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!